Hi friends, today I'm going to show you some crochet basic for beginners. So if you are the beginners, this is the tutorial for you. First of all, you will need some yarn. You also need a crochet hook. The hook I'm using today is a 3.5 millimeters. It's a crochet hook, but you can use any hook that you have. Before we getting into today's tutorial, you have to find out which way are you going to hold your hook. There are different ways to hold your hook. I hold my hook like a pencil like this. Of course, you can also hold your hook like this, like you're holding a knife. You can use any way that you like that works for you the best. So either way is good. Let's start with a slip knot. So grab your yarn, wrap it around your finger like this. There's an X on your hand. Use your thumb to snap the X and let go. Now you have a circle in your hand. Put your finger into the circle, grab this long yarn out through the loop and pull. Here, this is your first slip knot. To test it, you can pull this side of the yarn and your circle will be smaller. To make this circle bigger, simply just pull the circle like this and you'll get bigger and bigger. Pull the both side of the yarn and you will go back to the beginning. You can also use the hook to make the slip knot. Grab the yarn, wrap it around your finger like this. You see an X right there. Snap the X, let go, and now you have a circle in your hand. Before we use the index to grab this long yarn through the loop. But now, instead of using the finger, we're using the hook. Same thing, you can hold it this way or hold it this way. Doesn't matter. Use the hook to insert to this loop. Grab this yarn out. And then pull to form your slip knot. To adjust the size of the slip knot to fit with the hook, simply just pull this long end yarn. And to make sure your slip knot look like this on your hook. Not too big, not too small. When you shake, it doesn't fall off. Then this is the good size. This is the good tension. Now you have a slip knot on your hook. We are going to work on the chains. You want to wrap the yarn around your hands like this. And then use your thumb and middle finger to snap this knot we just made. And adjust the yarn right here. It shouldn't be loose like this. It should be kind of tight. So we can pull from here to make it tighter. It has to be this tight. It's easier for you to work later. So now, let's make our first chain. That's yarn over and grab this yarn, pull through the loop. And this is your first chain. You see right here, right? And now we have to move our thumb and middle finger up to secure this part. Let's try it again. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is chain 2. You have to move up again to secure this part. So it's easy for you to make the chains. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Move up again, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is chain 4. And use your thumb and middle finger to snap this chain to secure. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Let's move up to secure the loop. Now you have 5 chains like this. So this is what the chain look like. It's okay if your chain come out sometimes big or sometimes small. All you need to do is to practice more to make sure they are in the same size. You can chain up 100 or 200 just to practice and you will get better in no time. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.